Hey guys, back again with another video. This one is just going to be a tutorial on how to take your Asustor NAS apart in case you have to replace the fan or you just have to clean it. This particular unit is the AS3104T. Let's get started. So what you're gonna do is, there's 4 screws on the back. So you'll just undo those. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay it on its side, like that, because the panel, as you see, slides out. Mine is a little dusty, but essentially you'll have to remove all your hard drives off of it. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so now, alrighty. Now what you have to do is you have to take off this cage, which is held down by 4 screws here, and it's also held in with these screws up here, and also one of the fan screws is holding this piece up. So let's do that. Then what you're gonna do is move this film, just right like that, lift this up, and then slide this up so that the little daughter board can come out. And then now we'll take this guy off. And then here, this is just a standard 120 millimeter fan. Let me take it out. I replaced mine with a Mako fan a long time ago, so now I'm just gonna clean mine today. Alrighty, once you get everything apart, the actual 4-pin connector is right there. It is a PWM sensing board. That way, depending on what the heat inside is, it can ramp up the fan or keep it at idle, just so that there's no noise almost. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go clean up mine with some canned air, and next clip will be reassembly. Alrighty guys, now it's time to reassemble. I apologize for the call alarm going off right now. Alrighty, but basically, put this guy in. Alrighty. Now let's connect. I've personally been super happy with the Noctua fan. I'll link it in the description and I'll write it somewhere here so you guys can see which one I'm using for this, and it works perfectly fine. All right, next up is this. Now we'll install the daughter board. Go. Drop this guy down. Okay, now we're just gonna slide the hard drives in. Alrighty, so now, home stretch. is it. It is finished. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.